I'm Dr. Stacy Ripke, and for today's 3-Minute Mondays, I'm here with Dr. Monica Youssef and Dr. Monica Babawi to explore the phenomenal teaching and learning happening within NYU Dentistry's General Dentistry Simulation program. So come along with us.
The General Dentistry Simulation program is a 1-year-long course that all of our D1 students take. In the fall, it's dental anatomy and occlusion, and in the spring, it's single tooth restoration. Students take weekly didactic lectures and spend 3 days a week in the lab practicing their hand skills.
Students also learn the fundamentals of operative dentistry. Students learn the importance of self-assessment because we believe that skilled practitioners continuously seek ways to improve and reflect on their skills.
We're grouped by academic societies, which is really nice because we're with these people for the 4 years that we're here. So it really feels like we're a family and we can work together and help each other out, especially when we get into clinic in our 3rd and 4th year.
We really enjoy being able to collaborate with the people that are in our society, and it's great to work with each other in lab, and it's really great to have classmates that you feel like you can depend on and always work with closely.
It's my favorite class. It really helps us understand the concepts of how to actually apply the science that we learn in didactic and manually apply it to our models and hopefully to our patients in the future. So overall, it's a really important class and builds the foundation for D2, 3, and 4.
Reflecting back on when we started in July and starting now, it's an extreme difference. My preps are a lot better. The faculty members, I learned so much from them, so much from lecture, so much from lab. So my experience has been amazing.
It's honestly so fun. Just like a pencil and a paintbrush, it's another instrument that you learn how to use to create art, and I honestly can't wait to see what the future has to bring.
Our row instructors and all of the doctors here have such great advice and a lifetime of experience just to give us advice to go forward and really make sure that they're making the best dentist possible.
Bench lab has been such a great experience, truthfully, but it's so nice to really start enacting simulated patient care, and it's so nice to be with my hands and doing what I really wanted to do here.
It has been so rewarding to hear from faculty and students about the impact this General Dentistry Simulation program has on their educational journey and future careers. That's it for today's 3-Minute Mondays, and we'll see you next week.